Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing, bagging the Unity Stamp Club kit of the month for month of May. Today is the 16th. I want to say I got this on today is Saturday. Monday or Tuesday I got it in the mail. So Monday or Tuesday. So that's pretty good. Um so here we go. It's called A Little Happy Delivery Month. We have one, two, three, four, five single cards we can make. We got little baby boy or girl. Hello to your. I'm just gonna open it up real quick. This thing thick. Hello to your new little love. Oh baby, born to be adored. A grand little blessing. Wishing you wishing you joy, love, and precious moments. You made this year so very special. A great teacher changes everything. Thank you, teacher. The world is better because of teachers like you. This would have been good to get last week for the Teacher Appreciation Week. Then we got this little owl, chicken bird thing. I think it's an owl. You know, owls are supposed to be wise. Good luck blowing out all those candles. Older, wiser, and still kicking. This is, I guess, a old camel. I don't know. And what is this, a baby squirrel? You're not your, oh, it's a skunk. You're my favorite stinker. Sorry, stuff stinks. For the record, you don't stink. Some souls are snugly, no, some souls are simply easy to keep close. We look, we look who, well, look who keeps on getting older. That's a cute sentiment. Your friendship is the kind that always stays in bloom, so that would go with that, with love. And so let's just see. They have this flowers, and it says, yeah, I was just looking. It's lilac poison. Then we have sorry stuff stinks, and they have three sentiments, and the baby one has five sentiments, and it's called Oh Baby. And still kicking has three, and then teachers like you have four. So we used to do a collaboration called Use It or Snooze It. If I could pause or not pick a oh, it's called Odds, Ends, and Adorables, not A Little Happy Delivery Month. I guess that's the kid. I don't know. Oz ends and adorable. May 2026. I would not get this. I do not. None of these are appealing to me. And I know what you're going to say. The babies are cute. Yeah. This little skunk cute. Yeah. This is adorable. Yeah. The only thing that I think I like the most is this and this out of all of these. The other ones I don't care for too much. But that's just me. You definitely buy the kit and see for yourself how you like it. I'm not going to take these out, but this is huge. This is a very big stamp. It measures. Y'all see, I can say measures again because I found my ruler. Or I bought one recently. 5.5 almost, approximate 5.5. And the widest is 3.5. So that's pretty good. The babies are okay size. They're not that big, but you can do them individually. The owl is pretty big. The camel is pretty big, and then this little skunk is pretty big. Let me go back over this one more time with you all so you can see them up close. It's only five images. The babies are one, right? So it's two, but they're considering that one. Then the bird, skunk, camel, and the lilacs. And then we have these cards that you can cut apart. Please note the breaks in the lettering is part of the venture style of these sentiment tags only. That says Unity not only. So this is meant to be not legible. I don't see a problem with it. It looks vintage, yeah. So you would have to cut these out. First, cut these out. You can put them in your scanning cut if you have a scanning cut. And if you have some paper punches that could do this, like these tickets, those are decent. Is that the only thing we got free? Yeah. See, even they knew. They must have been busy this month. So you get just this. That's interesting. That's what you get free this month. Yeah, like I said, I don't like this month's kit. They put Friendship in Bloom. It's a cute card, how they made it look. Very cute. And then on this side, see, they took paper punches. Now, this, I would copy this idea. And it just had a camel and it's not even fully colored, which I love. You know, I love to do this kind of stuff. Find a focal point and color that and not the rest. So, this is what we get for May 2026. What's it called? Odds, ends, and adorable. Let me know in the comment section. You like this kit? Would you snooze? Which image do you like the most? I told you I like the owl and the camel the most. The skunk is okay too, but yeah. Anyway, even the sentiments don't really call out to me. Only a few did. Anyway, I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Until next time, happy crafting.